Theater-style seating, as the name implies, mimics the seating of a movie theater. Chairs are placed in parallel straight rows with aisles between them. Attendees face forward toward the stage or main speaker. This seating arrangement is one of the easiest to set up and therefore one of the most common. For meetings where guest speakers or long presentations play a key role, theater-style layouts are one of the most effective ways to keep attendees focused. Therefore, many professionals use theater-style seating arrangements for their most important meetings. Not only are participants facing forward, making them less likely to talk amongst themselves, but the seating arrangement also allows everyone to see presentation materials easily. There are a few disadvantages to using this seating arrangement. Narrow access in and out of seats is one of the biggest issues with theater seating. Care must be taken to arrange the aisles and rows so that they are not too narrow. Additionally, non-digital note-taking is difficult due to the lack of tables or desks. The seating layout of your meeting room sets the tone for the entire meeting. A cramped seating layout leaves attendees feeling uncomfortable and unfocused. A well-planned seating layout allows you to keep your attendees focused on the purpose of your meeting. We would now like you to create a theater-style plan. There are some key points. 1. Ensure you allow enough space and aisles. 2. Please set up a stage on the plan, with stage steps, a microphone and a lectern placed onto the stage. 3. Ensure your floor plan has text at the top, with your name, date of the plan and name of the function. Please make up your own function name. 4. Export your floor plan to PNG or PDF format. 5. Please email your finished plans to floorplans@eventdraw.com. Ensure you copy in Peter when emailing your floor plans. We want to ensure everyone creates theater-style plans in different venues. So for today's lesson, look at the different venue templates. Please create 5 separate and different theater-style plans. Ensure each plan uses a different venue and the layout does not look similar to your other theater-style plans. Each plan needs to be unique, not look the same as the previous, although each plan needs to have a stage setup. For example, you may create a theater-style setup with a registration area, maybe some projectors in the room or food and drink stations around the room. Simply changing the direction of the chairs will completely change a theater-style setup. So, once you have finished all 5 plans, please attach all 5 plans in your email and please forward to us for reviews. Ensure Peter has been addressed and copied into the emails.